Don't you ever allow people to make you feel less than because of your body type. We not all make for look the same and have the same body. If you want big, be big. If you want slim, be slim. Understand me? I said, don't kill out on yourself for try to adhere to, the ideal body type. Don't do that. You have so much woman that go under the knife. All man of the surgery nowadays too. For try to appeal to this beauty standard. Fuck all of that. May I tell you, fuck all of that. Love yourself for who you are as a person and your body type as well. Nobody kill out on yourself about who not do body, who not do tummy tuck, who not do all them shit. All that shit don't really matter at the end of the day. You have to develop that sense of self-love. You have to love yourself. You can do your body, you can do the tummy tuck, and then something else are gonna happen. Society are gonna shift a certain way and say, boy, we not like that no more. We like something else. You gotta just keep on go under the knife to appeal to society. Fuck all of that shit, man. Love on yourself for who uno is.